Today we'll discuss about the Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley civilization was one of the earliest urban civilization in India and in fact in the world. The Indus Valley civilization is also called Harappan civilization because the Harappa was the first city to be discovered. As most of the sites in the initial phase of excavation were situated near the valley of river Indus and its tributaries, it was named the Indus Valley civilization. About 5,000 years ago, a group of nomads traveling from Sumeria, present-day Iran, entered northwest India, present-day Karachi. These nomads found a land so richly fertile by the banks of the river Indus that they settled there without hesitation. This area was abundant with water, fodder and fuel. Over the next thousands years, the immigrants spread over an area of 500,000 square miles. Excavations prove that the level of urban planning and architecture prevalent here was incomparable. The anchor for this civilization lay in the beautiful twin cities of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. The name Mohenjo-daro means Mound of the Dead. The city was built around 2600 BCE. These cities were made of bricks, either baked mud or wood bricks. The baked bricks were a superior version of the sun-dried bricks used in other civilizations. The amazing part was that the workers made every brick at the same size. The type of brick used ensured the durability of the buildings. Despite a population of about 30,000, the city had one of the best sanitation systems. Each house had a well from which it drew water. From the bathing room, the wastewater was directed into covered drains along the main streets. Since all the streets were well drained, the city remained dry and clean. This is the evidence of a very modern method of sanitation. Mohenjo-daro was primarily an agricultural city. It was situated below the great mountain ranges with rivers flowing abundantly through the land. This made evident the fact that agriculture was the main occupation. Further proof of this is the presence of a large well, a central marketplace and several granaries in the city. Excavated in Mohenjo-daro, the Great Bath is one of the most striking features of this civilization. The beautiful bath area had a layer of natural tar. This was to prevent it from leaking. It is a large rectangular structure resembling a swimming pool built of baked bricks. The center of the bath area was a swimming pool. It has galleries and dressing rooms. Fresh water was filled from a well nearby and used water drained out through an outlet. While historians remain uncertain about the true purpose of the Great Bath, most believe that it was probably used during religious ceremonies. The world's earliest planned cities had well-defined sanitary and drainage system. There were well-developed roads, houses and large public buildings. Houses were well protected from noise. Each house opened out onto inner courtyards and smaller lanes, so it was safe. The main roads ran parallel to each other. Smaller streets intersected the main roads at right angles. The entire city was divided into rectangular blocks. The roads were wide and the corners were rounded off for easy movement of carts. Many roads were paved with baked bricks. The city seemed to promote an equal society for all. Next day we'll discuss about other important evidences of the Indus Valley civilization.